is about sectors. It says there, the diagram shows a sector of a circle center O where OB is equal to OC, which is 15 centimeters. The size of angle BOC is 2 per 5 pi radians. Okay, and then point A and D on the lines OB and OC respectively are joined with an arc AD of a circle. So this is also an arc of a circle with center O. Okay. The shaded region is bounded by the arcs AD and BC and by the straight lines AB and BC. Yes, exactly. It is given that the area of the shaded region, now the area, is 209/5 pi. Question asks you to find the perimeter. Obviously, for perimeter, you will be needing this length. Now, we don't have that length because we don't have the radius of the smaller sector over there. Think about how can we equate to find out the radius of the smaller sector there. You can work out using the area given to you, which is, right, we have there 209/5 pi. Now, this should be the area of the bigger sector to be subtracted with the area of the smaller sector. Now, how do we figure out the area of the bigger sector? Remember that for area is just half r squared theta in radian. Okay, theta in radian. So it's just half the bigger sector. The radius is 15. 15 square. Theta is 2/5 pi. To be subtracted with the area of the smaller sector, which is half. Now the r is something that we don't know. Maybe I'll just write r square times theta is still the same. I'm sorry. Theta is still the same, which is 2/5 pi. If I would like to simplify, then I'll have my 2 to be crossed out. Then I don't have any half. My angle would be 1/5 pi. And then if your task is just to figure out the r. You can see here that r is your unknown that you want to find. This is just a value and this is also another value. Okay, so if I put my r on one side, then I'll be having r squared times 1/5 pi is equal to 15 squared times 1/5 pi minus 209/5 pi. And then if I want to get rid of 1/5 pi, it's just r squared equals to, this is just 5/pi, pi over 5 then, times with everything that I have there, 15 squared, 1/5 pi minus 209/5 pi. Okay, you can see that this part will be cancelled off. This will be cancelled off. This will be cancelled off. Okay. And therefore, my simplified answer would be 15 squared minus 209. Remember, we are not looking for r squared, radius. So it's going to be the square root of that, which is 16. That gives me an answer of radius is equals to 4. This is the radius of the smaller sector. Do not stop there. This is 4. Do not stop there because the question is asking you to find out the perimeter. Now, how do you find out the perimeter? In order for you to find out the perimeter, you will be needing the smaller arc and the larger arc. And then plus with this length, which is 15 minus 4, 11, and this one is also 11. So perimeter, then I'll be having formula for arc length is just S equals to r theta. Okay, so you'll be having the radius of the bigger sector is 15 and theta is 2/5 pi, plus with the radius of the smaller sector is 4 times 2/5 pi, plus with the length of the sides, which is 11, plus another 11. Computing this, you should be having 22 plus 38/5 pi. Okay, and that's it. Remember, the question is asking you to write it in terms of pi. Do not skip this part. Okay, do not skip this part. If, let's say, you accidentally work out with decimal numbers, without writing this, you won't be getting the last mark. Okay, let's